Alright, now we're going to continue working with rationals, but we will divide them instead. Let's start with the first question here. And what I'll be doing is that I will be factoring everything as much as I can. So here we have x squared minus 4, which is a difference of two squares. And the square root of x is just x, of course. Let's put an x here, an x over there. The square root of 4 is 2. So I will add a 2 and take it away on the other side. And we're dividing that by another difference of two squares, x squared minus 1, which factors, of course, into x plus 1 times x minus 1. If you need to review that, I strongly suggest you take a look at our polynomial section on our website, all over x plus 1. And right now, what I'll do is that I will change this division into multiplication by flipping the second fraction. So the first one just remains the same. And by the way, I can always do that whenever I'm dividing fractions. So this becomes multiplication, and this will be flipped. So the x plus 1, that by the way looks like one of my x's, but it's just a multiplication sign. Hopefully that doesn't confuse anyone. So x plus 1 goes in the numerator now, and x plus 1 times x minus 1 goes down below. There we go. Now we can start simplifying things. Could have done that before already, I guess. Simplify the x minus 2, the x minus 2. We're just left with a 1 up top. Over here, x plus 1 over x plus 1. Those cancel out also, and we're also left with 1 up top. Now we multiply top, top, bottom, bottom. So 1 times 1, 1. All over x plus 2 times x minus 1. And that's it. That's as far as we can go there. I will leave it completely simplified. I won't expand anything. And over here, we're also gonna get started by factoring things out. X squared plus 4x. I'll factor out an x. X squared divided by x, 4x divided by x is 4. Now the denominator, x squared minus 3x. I'll factor out another x. We get x times x minus 3, all divided by x plus 4. And what does this factor into? Looking for two numbers that multiply to negative 6 and add up to negative 1. Those numbers will be negative 3 and plus 2. Great. Now I'm going to do exactly what I did on the other side here. But actually, I'm just going to cancel out these x's because I can do that. And now I'm just going to keep the left fraction the same. And I will multiply these guys instead, and I will flip the second fraction. That makes things easier to see. So we're left with an x plus 4 over here. That's a very terrible looking x. Forgive me for that. And now things are going to start canceling out again. X plus 4 over x plus 4. Those cancel out. We're left with 1 over here. And you can also cancel out x minus 3 and x minus 3. So those also go. And we're left with a 1 over here. Oh yeah, and we were left with a 1 over there as well. So now we can multiply top and top, bottom, bottom. So first the numerators, 1 times x plus 2 is just x plus 2. And down at the bottom we have 1 times 1, which is just 1. So the whole thing is basically just x plus 2. That's it.